divided the demo in two parts. First is the setup part, and then is the demo transaction. Setup is a one-time effort that the user will have to do. To configure your screen, all you'll have to do is download our Chrome extension called Screen Connect. Once you download and click on the extension icon, you'll have to provide the safe address. And that's the only permission that this particular Chrome extension will ever have. And so once you click on setup safe and provide your safe address, you can also see that there is a checkbox which says use Screen Connect as your default wallet. That means that you'll be able to use safe as your default wallet while transacting to any dApps that you use, like you're used to with MetaMask. So here in this particular case, my safe has two owners, which is MetaMask and Rainbow, and has been configured as one of two signers. That means if I lose my MetaMask or Rainbow, all my assets in the safe can be drained out easily. Fun fact, about 50% of the safe right now are configured one of n. That means they are prone to this attack of once they lose or compromise their private key, all their assets will be drained. So the first thing that we change to your safe, so to this particular safe, is that we convert it into 2 of 3 owners. That means that if your private key is lost, your funds will always be safe. And second thing that we do is that we are assigning a guardian to you. Since there are 2 signatures required for any transaction that happens, Guardian can never initiate any transaction with the single signer that they have. Now, to confirm this setup, all you'll have to do is click on connect and send transaction. So setting up screen is very easy. It's just 2 steps. First is providing your safe address, and second is clicking connect and send transaction. Once you do that, you will be able to enjoy all the features that we have talked so far, which is account recovery, fraud detection, and also you'll be also able to pay gas for all the transactions right from your safe instead of having any funds in your EOA. So you never need to have any funds in your EOA as well. Now let's look into a demo transaction that we'll be doing. So here we'll be doing a normal swap transaction, which you can do using any of the swaps that we have. Since ours is an injected wallet, it is automatically getting connected to this CowSwap application. Now, once you click on swap, the transaction will be intervened and first detected for detected for frauds. So the first we check if the contracts are valid or not, if they have been registered or not, and then if the origin of the website which is sending the transaction is valid or not, if you're sending a transaction which can potentially lead to frauds or not. So after all these checks have been passed, this is now then you are then requested to sign. Now you can use any of your existing wallets. So here I'm using a Rainbow wallet to sign my message. Now, once I sign the message, it is then forwarded to Guardian, which then again check for signatures, validity, authority, and all the things. Once all the things are verified, it is sent to the blockchain and the transaction is added. So this way you get the accessibility by clicking only once, while you were still checked for frauds, as well as Guardian made sure that the transaction went through, and the gas fees was paid via your safe.